I hope you're enjoying my van build videos. It's the project I picked for this winter, and it's just the thing that's consuming all of my time. So mostly that's what my videos are about. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. And let me know if I'm making any mistakes. Because that's how we learn. Please enjoy my stories or whatever else might be on my mind today. Cutting some of the marine vinyl for the ceiling. There we go. This is half the ceiling. That's the other half. Everybody on the internet said, don't buy folded vinyl. But rolled vinyl was considerably more money. And I knew I wasn't going to use it right away. So I've rolled it myself. And after it's stretched, the folds aren't a problem. I just rolled it on a piece of PVC. You may wonder where I got the idea for a 1/2 inch of carpet padding over the marine vinyl. Let me show you.
Are you coming in?
Yeah, just for a second, I'm coming in. Looky here. The ceiling in my Monaco. It's good enough for a Monaco. It's good enough for my van. What do you think about that?
I'm not sure.
Well, you can see where I've been spending my time, right down there in that red van. But I came up here this morning to show you the snow on the Santa Rita Mountains. It's the most snow we've ever seen up there. It's been raining the last several days, and I expected it to be white when I looked out of my bedroom window this morning, but nope, I just got a big old puddle. But the mountains are beautiful, are they not? I said something about a puddle. What do you think about that? I get a lake from rain coming down the hill. Lynn smokes, so when it's raining, I drive the van up here on the patio so that she can sit in the car and smoke. She doesn't smoke in the motorhome, doesn't smoke in the van. So, well, speaking of the van, let's check out the progress. I got the water system put back together. I have had no leaks. This pressure... Maybe I should have done this with the camera off. Oh, yeah. 2 days. I've had pressure in the system, and it's held. I got the toilet mounted there and there, so it's secure. I bought some red paint. Let's go around and see what else I got going on. It's very cold this morning, but the sun's shining. I've got the diesel heater going in my workshop. You can hear it. It'll warm up in there. The van is coming along nicely. Working on the next wall panel that I'm going to pad. Got the refrigerator remounted. It's all secure. Plenty of room for ice cream. I got the pocket doors. Had it clamped there. I got the pocket doors fixed. And they're padded inside so they don't rattle. We actually drove to Sierra Vista the other day. The wall panel I'm working on, that one, is going to be right there, from there to the window. And all of that electrical stuff has to come through the wall and then the panels be mounted. I had the last little bit of electrical stuff to do before I permanently covered up the wires with the wall. Got this wall. Again, my padded walls. I'm really happy with this, how this is turning out. This is a box, my laptop, my iPads, my phone, and a charger. 3 USB sockets, 2 A's, 1 C, and an electrical socket. Yeah, I'm happy. So the bed's going to go there, and there'll be another kind of bed that unfolds over there. The blue tape is where a microwave is going. I'm going to go in and have another cup of coffee before, or while, the work shed is warming up. It's 39 degrees out here this morning.
Daddy,
Hello, Lynn.
what are you doing?
Working on a video a little bit.
Oh.
Waiting for it to warm up.
Oh, well, you may have to wait a while for that.
It's nice and warm in here.
Yes, it is.
Oh, we are sun-powered through the window there. Oh, feels good on the back of my neck. Ah. So, what are you going to do today?
What do I usually do?
Well, you read your books.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
You eat your waffle.
I ate 2 waffles.
You eat oatmeal.
They're delicious.
Yeah, so waffle instead of oatmeal this morning?
Yeah. Peter made waffles and froze them for me.
So you just pop them in the toaster?
Yeah,
Good idea.
that's a good idea.
A minute ago I was talking about having moved the van or the Jeep up there so that you could go outside when it's raining.
Yes, that's a good deal.
But you know what
Clear that so that it can dry.
But you know what I noticed?
What?
There's condensation on the windshield.
Yeah.
On the inside. What's the deal with
it's
that?
on the inside?
Yeah, because when it's
I
raining,
saw it.
yeah, I thought maybe it's leaking, but it's not. It's when it rains really, really hard,
Yeah.
and you open the door gets wet on the inside. So, and then the sun hits it, and it warms up in there, and
Oh, yeah.
whatever. And the
Because
windshield's still cold, so
it had started raining before I left the car.
right. Well, anyway, that's what's fit to print today.
Okay.
Okay. Are you just sitting over there smelling the mail?
Yes, it smells so good.
I ordered some screws and snaps on them.
And I came in this package that
Apparently, somebody's
had perfume in there.
perfume spilled out in the Amazon truck.
Yeah, and it smells so good. I'd like to get some of that perfume.
Well, we don't know what kind it is.
Oh.
Just rub that stuff on you. Rub the package on you.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, it does smell good.
Wow.
It's the cheapest perfume I ever got for you.
Yeah, that's for sure. The last one cost $100.
You said you figured out the name of the perfume?
Yeah, it's called Prime. I'm gonna order some more of it for my body. Ah.
Hey, if you like me, give me one of those thumbs up. And please subscribe and hit that little bell so you know when I post next. Please share me with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed what was on my mind today.